Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what
Is
article?
the Chive still an active website?
I don't
sure.
know. I mean, I only went into it once. It's like 9gag for like, people that, have like real estate licenses.
Wait, they have
Right?
they have a website named after the amount of times you've gagged on my dick, Adam?
Yeah.
Chive Times?
No.
Chive gag.
9gag.
Oh,
No, it's like memes, right? That's what the Chive is like. It's like
Yeah.
It's like kind of
They're aggregators. It's just stealing shit.
yeah. It's like Reddit-ish.
Yeah, basically.
I've been getting into the rest of Reddit, like the regular people.
Oh yeah,
are
we were
doing
reading it
Reddit.
on the way to your house the other day
It's
before we went to
fucking pathetic, dude.
What was it?
I do
just
not
people
fuck
say-
with that shit,
My
man.
What was
favorite
that
thing.
cat
My favorite
thing?
thing is when people go, "Okay, this is epic."
Yeah.
It's like,
I think that sometimes is people doing that ironically because Ben Shapiro did that once.
what?
And they were
he
like-
said, "Okay, this is epic."
Yeah, he
No,
like
it's not
tweeted that
ironic.
once.
I mean, it's ironic, sure, but it's like whatever.
But a lot of the time people are like, that's legitimately
Yeah.
their reaction.
I straight up, like, Christina used to fucking read Reddit. I don't understand how, like,
Yeah.
the boards
Well, I've
work.
stumbled into that weird part of Reddit again.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
4
how does
million
someone
upvotes.
stumble into something?
It doesn't. Well, there
they
used to be
give
that
each other
website.
prizes. What
Yeah,
is,
you
like,
have to pay money to give people like little
What?
gold medals for saying things. Yeah.
You pay that is fucking...
Yeah.
like real money.
I mean, the vast
Do you
majority
just
of
click around?
it's
Is it like Wikipedia links where you go to a different Reddit if
there's one that's just like cat loafs, and it's like loaf being a loaf, loafing today.
yeah, this is
and
what
it's
Nick
just
showed
your
me. It's
cat just sitting there.
psychotic.
And it's not like that's just what cats look like when they sit down.
Yeah.
There's not. Yeah,
It's not doing anything special.
But there's their legs hide, and then there's somebody posting in there, and the cat's not even doing that, and they're like, "Any love for a kitty croissant?" So people upvoting it, and it's like, are we
God.
sure that this doesn't cause cancer?
That's
These people should be chemically castrated.
what
Yeah.
happens? What are the upvotes?
I think
Do
they
you
are.
get something if you get upvotes or some shit?
No, I don't know. I mean, and then
You get what is it?
and then the most upvoted
Trophies
shit is
or
like then there's like
medals.
Russian dash cam footage that
Hell
like
yes.
people love that shit, which
That
I
is
admit
good.
is kind of cool.
Yeah, it's tight.
And then it's like, this is my best friend Mike. We met 7 years ago when he shit himself in the ball pit at McDonald's, and then I was the only one not laughing at him. Now, every Tuesday we meet up so I can take a picture with him and post it on the internet. And it's just, like a guy with a retarded guy. And then a million people being like, faith in humanity equals restored. It's like, just,
Boo.
it sucks, dude.
Fuck that shit.
Damn.
Listen, if I'm on the internet, I'm looking at pornography. I'm watching I'm watching basketball
Dunks,
games.
crossovers.
Yep.
I don't have
highlights.
it in me to do it, but there's a subreddit called Roast Me where people just post pictures of themselves,
Oh jeez.
and I want to just write the N word on every one of those, every one of them, and then you like find people to upvote it or whatever. Because if you could just, it would take a lot of people. But if you could have an operation to just make the N word the top comment on every
You
one
would
of
destroy Reddit
of the Roast Me pictures
from the inside
and
out.
the cat loaf too.
yeah cat.
You would do that for anything.
That's a
Any love
noble.
for
That's I
kitty
guess that's a
croissant?
noble
Yeah.
use of slurs.
Any love for a kitty croissant?
These people shouldn't be given driver's licenses. They shouldn't be allowed to vote.
Yeah.
Like they should be.
Reddit is fucking.
They
good.
should be
Do
ashamed
They
of
should be
themselves.
stripped
Is it
of their
advertising?
clothes, and then two strong men should hold their legs apart at the bottom of an escalator, so their genitals get sucked into the grooves.
Yeah.
That's what should happen to those people.
Fuck. Do you like?
That's how my
how does
mind
Reddit
works.
make money?
Yeah, real twisted. Dude.
Yeah, just in case you were wondering who the dark one on the show.
Dude, I met my cousin for the first time in like 10 years, and he's like,